Allie?
Yes.
I have some explaining to do.
Okay.
On the Lectric One, this is a brand new e-bike. There is not much like it on the market, around $2,000. So I thought, why don't we unbox it and then I can go through all of the cool tech that's in this bike.
Okay.
Let's get into it.
Step 1, open here.
I promise, unlike my last unboxing, I'm going to follow the instructions. This side is up and there's tabs here. Step 1, open here. And another reason why it's nice to show the unboxing is because Lectric e-bikes doesn't believe that it's the customer's responsibility to fully assemble, so they make assembly a lot more easy than almost any other direct-to-consumer e-bike brand.
Step 2, open sides.
It's actually great to have some help. Okay, wait. Before we review this, I have one quick favor to ask you. If you are looking to purchase any electric e-bike, you can support content like this for free by using our link down in the description. Thank you so much for your support. All right, let's reveal it.
Okay.
There we go. That's how the Lectric One comes packaged. It's a very long but short box. Of course, the smaller wheels helps that. So I reviewed this earlier this year and Allie has not even seen it. I don't even think you remember what it looked like from the review.
No.
Some eco-friendly packaging.
I see a belt drive, no chain.
Something that I love. One of the reasons we're doing a unboxing video. All right, next let's unpack it.
Choo!
That wasn't too bad.
All I can think of is your dad. You just throw all the packaging everywhere.
All right, so firstly, we have to put on a few of the parts here, but one of the things that I love is that front fender comes installed. Sometimes they can be a little bit of a pain. The next thing I want you to do, Allie, I want you to pick up this bike. I know we don't have the front wheel attached, but...
Is it supposed to be heavy or light?
What do you think?
I would say lighter. Not XP light.
And this is the long-range version, currently priced at $21.99. Up-to-date pricing and all the accessories that they're currently including down in the description. All right, how do you feel about doing the assembly, or what little there is to assemble?
Sure.
All right.
You did not prepare me for this. This I can pretty confidently do a seat.
You're doing great.
Thank you.
My first question, what size seat post is this? Oh, 31.8. That means you can pick up a...
Suspension seat post.
Where at?
Shop.ebikeescape.com.
It will greatly improve comfort on this electric bike, especially on an electric bike with no suspension.
So I can install the seat. There's a warning. Be sure the seat height is correctly set. I know there's a minimum insertion point, so you don't want it higher than that. Okay.
All right, seat post successfully installed.
Yes. Okay, wheel. I know when you don't have a front wheel in, you don't push the brakes if they're disc brakes, which these are disc brakes. So I'm gonna take this off.
I have a tip for you, Allie.
Okay, what's your
Why
tip?
don't you remove the axle and then you can push it through and that will help remove that. Sometimes
Ooh,
those
okay.
can get jammed in.
Okay. So I'm just gonna remove the axle here.
Do you know what kind of axle that is? This is a through axle, which makes assembly much easier.
Am I doing this right?
All right, so there's a notch here at the bottom, and you're going to want to locate that notch and then it'll fit in there like so.
Oh, wow.
And then
okay.
unscrew it. Yep, lefty-loosey. There you go, boom.
Now I'm assuming this is greasy and I don't want to touch it.
A little greasy.
Okay.
All right, now try that again.
Now, let me show my skills.
Try not to touch the rotor.
Okay.
All right, now show the camera this cool trick that your husband just showed you.
Cool trick. Woo! Okay.
Did it.
Ensure the front wheel axle nuts are properly installed.
That's good. Now, one thing you do need to be mindful of, we almost missed it. This piece was actually attached on this plastic piece. All right, don't throw out this piece. This is going to go on the wheel. So pop that on. Both sides should look the same.
So lift that up.
It's a disc brake shim.
Yeah, I see these sitting around our house everywhere.
All right, put that axle in. Remember, it's gonna screw on. There you go. Nice job.
Woo! Kickstand. Can probably put the handlebars up.
Yep.
Take the plastic off. Okay. Wear your helmet. Okay, got that. Does this come with tools?
Completely toolless.
Okay. Pedals. Let's do some pedals.
Why don't we fix these handlebars first?
I don't know how. Ah! Okay.
See, adjustable handlebars so both you and I can ride it. One of the things I want to do on this electric bike is really put a lot of miles on it so we can truly test the longevity of the belt drive as well as the pinion gearbox, which we'll get to.
Warning, must be 18 years of age or older to operate. I have got that one covered. And attention, follow all the rules. Got it?
All right, so handlebars, check mark. All right, let's go through the accessory boxes.
Box number 1. We've got pedals, owner's manual, pretty thick.
You'll notice we've used no tools, and that's thanks to, yes, the through axle, but also quick release pedals. I love these pedals. So you do need to rotate them, this metal piece, until you feel it click. There you go. Why don't you show the audience on the other
Okay,
side?
let's see if I can pass the test.
And these same batteries that are on our Expedition, which is really nice.
So could you interchange them?
Yes. All right, we have ourselves a unbox Lectric One. All right, Allie, I want you to tell me how easy or hard the assemble was. 0 being anyone can do it, 10 being, oh my gosh, let me call my local bike mechanic.
2.
That's what my dad gave it too. You can check out our X-Peak unboxing that my 70-year-old dad did. So in our next video, we're diving deep into our experience after 100 miles with the pinion gearbox on the Lectric One. Arguably the standout feature of this electric bike. We'll cover everything we love about the bike as well as a few tweaks we'd love to see in the future from Lectric. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the full breakdown, which supplements our full review on this e-bike. And don't forget, you can support our channel at no extra cost by using our links down in the description below before you make your purchase. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.